myself a question. Is it possible to get an entire applause with just one clap? If not, how many claps do you need? Can you layer them all? I don't know, so I'm gonna do a bunch of experiments to try to find out. So first we kinda need the samples, so let's record those. Alright, so we got our sample now. So we got a wrist, highlight the empty space. That's all background noise. Noise reduction, get sound profile, A, effect, noise reduction, bam. Now less background noise. So first we got our one clap. Where are my hands? They're very sexy. Here's like an actual clap you would do. So we have different claps, different loudness. We got like a loud boy, got some weak boys in there. So let's go to Premiere and let's see how this goes. Here I am with Premiere. I have the file, so let's just drag that in the timeline. I'm gonna separate all the claps and then get back to you. Now in a stadium, or like an actual applause, about, we'll say 50 claps. So first I'm gonna try, this is like an actual clap. So I'm gonna take this boy and I just kind of replicate it a bunch. And so here we have 5 claps. Let's see how those sound. I don't. Okay. Okay. Oh God. Okay. Maybe if I cut some of them, because you can tell they're the same clap, they just sound echoed. So if we take some of the other ones, right, Alt, right, so get it a little messy, we get some more organic, right? Alright, how's this sound? So that sounds like a boardroom meeting, and you just give a presentation. That's what they're like in a couple of them just in chairs clapping, right? Alright. So that just sounds like a lot of clapping, right? I'm trying to get like a full stadium. Duplicate this, get it just off by a few seconds, right? Maybe that'll make it sound. Volume, we'll lower it. That's okay, because we're gonna get into Alright, how's this? Now, I think I'm gonna do is like 2 more times and then I have an idea. Alright. So we're gonna do it one more time. Alright. There's things I'm missing, like whistles and like woos, but it's fine. Okay. So maybe not full 7. So let's just cut like these ones. Let's start with 2. We'll do it one by one. Alright. So they're too close together. So let's zoom back in. So we're gonna just dial that, and then cut it short, and then copy it like that, and then copy that like that. There. It's in the low bracket. I'm gonna try to add maybe reverb because it's audio mixer. Yeah. So there's the one reverb, studio reverb, because that's what I've worked with before. So room size, it's getting a big. We're getting a big room. So let's see how that is. So we move the wetness up, the dryness down. Okay, so with reverb, that's how each of the individual claps sound. It kind of just sound like you're clapping in a gym, a little more artificial though. Alright, so I think, yeah, this is... Okay, so before I wasn't that happy because I'll turn off reverb. I don't know how to turn it off. So you think there's a droning sound to it. Okay, but with reverb on, the droning kind of sounds like people yelling and screaming. So I'm gonna call this mission success. So thank you.